In this special edition of Ingdai Express, we're going to read a report by Tilman Durden, who wrote in the March 28th, 1947 edition of the New York Times about Taiwan, which at the time was better known as Formosa.
你若是70外冬前的美国人，刷落来我甲阿勇要念的这篇，对你来讲就是顶礼拜报纸刊出来咧讲咱台湾的新闻，迄时号做 Formosa。
Formosa killings are put at 10,000.
Formosa 讲死10000人。
Foreigners say the Chinese slaughtered demonstrators without provocation.
外国人讲中国人无代无志就杀死示威者。
Foreigners who have just returned to China from Formosa corroborate reports of wholesale slaughter by Chinese troops and police during anti-government demonstrations a month ago.
南京3月28报道，拄为 Formosa 返来中国的外国人，证实1月日前反政府示威活动之中，中国军队甲警察所做的大屠杀。
These witnesses estimate that 10,000 Formosans were killed by the Chinese armed forces. The killings were described as completely unjustified in view of the nature of the demonstrations.
在见证人估算有10000人予中国武装部队杀死，因知影示威活动的性质，因讲迄寡Formosa人死了真冤枉。
The anti-government demonstrations were said to have been by unarmed persons whose intentions were peaceful. Every foreign report to Nanking denies charges that communists or Japanese had inspired or organized the parades.
因讲来反政府示威活动的人拢无武器，意图嘛真和平。所有外国记者送转来南京的报道，拢讲无共产党也是日本人伫背后使人，也是组织迄寡游行。
Foreigners who left Formosa a few days ago say that an uneasy peace had been established almost everywhere, but executions and arrests continued. Many Formosans were said to have fled to the hills, fearing they would be killed if they returned to their homes.
几工前才离开Formosa的外国人讲，草逐位拢已经建立着一种真不安的平静局面。毋过，枪杀人的、掠人的，拢也咧继续。真济Formosa人走起来山尾，惊若转厝，就会互杀死。
One American who has just arrived in China from Taihoku said that troops from the mainland arrived there on March 7th and indulged in 3 days of indiscriminate killing and looting. For a time, everyone seen on the streets was shot at, homes were broken into, and occupants killed. In the poorer sections, the streets were said to have been littered with dead.
一个美国人拄则为台北州返来中国，伊讲中国派来的部队3月初7、9位，就连续3天放肆来进行无差别的大杀人、大抢劫。有一段时间，因伫街仔路看到人就开枪，闯入去人家厝，甲内底的人杀死。一寡较可怜的所在，讲生死伊甲一世界。
There were instances of beheadings and mutilation of bodies. Women were raped, the American said.
毒头分尸的情形嘛有，强奸妇女的情形嘛有。这个美国人讲的。
Two foreign women who were at Pingdong, near Takao, called the actions of the Chinese soldiers there a, quote, massacre. They said unarmed Formosans took over the administration of the town peacefully on March 4th and used the local radio station to caution against violence.
两个为屏东返来的外国负责人 讲中国兵仔的行为是大屠杀。因讲福摩萨人3月初四是真和平来占领市政府，佮用在地的垃圾来放送，叫大家莫用暴力。
The Chinese were well received and invited to lunch with the Formosan leaders. Later, a bigger group of soldiers came and launched a sweep through the streets.
中国人是互人真好礼来按来，佮请因甲福摩萨人的头人同齐食饭。较停一阵较大阵的兵仔来，甲街仔路规个拢扫动。
The people were machine gunned, groups were rounded up and executed. The man who had served as the town's spokesman was killed. His body was left for a day in a park, and no one was permitted to remove it.
民众互机关枪扫射，嘛有掠做一阵一阵同齐枪杀。代表所有市民出来讲话的人嘛，互枪杀。生死等伫公园一暝一日，毋妨受死。
A Briton described similar events at Takao, where unarmed Formosans had taken over the running of that city. He said that after several days, Chinese soldiers from an outlying fort were deployed through the streets, killing hundreds with machine guns and rifles, and raping and looting. Formosan leaders were executed. Thousands were thrown into prison, many bound with thin wire that cut deep into the flesh.
一个英国人讲到打狗的情形嘛相像，占领市政府的福摩萨人拢无称。因讲几工了后，中国兵仔为外围的兵营派过来，举机关枪、步枪伫街仔路四界抢劫，强奸、杀死几落百人。福摩萨人的头人互处死刑，几落千人互关起来。真济是用烟线绑的，烟线吹甲暗暗，夹入去火目，流火流滴。
The foreign witnesses reported that leaflets signed in the name of Generalissimo Chiang Kai-shek, promising leniency and urging all who had fled to return, were dropped from airplanes. As a result, many came back, only to be imprisoned or executed.
一寡外国见证人回报讲，有统帅蒋介石刻名的传单，写讲保证会将钦发落。劝迄寡走去的拢紧转来，结果真济人转来就互关，也是互枪杀。
There seemed to be a policy of killing off all the best people, one foreigner asserted.
未输有一个政策是要甲较有读册的人拢总杀死。一个外国人真坚定安尼来讲。
The foreigners' stories are fully supported by reports to every important foreign embassy or legation in Nanking.
南京所有大使馆收到的报告，拢完全支持以上怀外国人所讲的代志。
Formosans are reported to be seeking United Nations action on their case. Some have approached foreign consuls to ask that Formosa be put under the jurisdiction of the Allied Supreme Command or be made an American protectorate. Formosan hostility to the mainland Chinese has deepened.
讲福摩萨人当咧找联合国来处理因的案件，有人联络外国领事馆，要求福摩萨交予盟军最高司令部来管辖，也是正做美国的保护地。但福摩萨人对中国大陆人的怨气搁较深啊。
Two women who described events at Pingdong said that when Formosans assembled to take over the administration of the town, they sang the Star-Spangled Banner. 讲到屏东的迄两位负责人，讲
民众做阵占领市政府迄时，唱的是美国国歌。咱即马拢知影，即篇文章咧讲的，就是228事件。一句话讲，当局食糜。几落十冬来，咱敢若听到国民党讲228是安怎安怎，民进党讲228安怎安怎，甚至共产党讲228安怎安怎。咱煞真罕地听到事件发生迄当时，完全无地带的局外人美國是安怎看待228事件？希望咱今仔日提供即个美國觀點，會用你幫贊大家來認捌代志的真相。